traction is the overhead line, so the wire above the train, so it's only for the metro, the bonding, and the substation which provide the power to the train through the overhead line and the rail. Traction is very important for metro because that's the way the metro moves. So when the trains are running, we have a policy of 45 minutes or KPI of 45 minutes response. So we need to be able to arrive anywhere on the network during peak hours with the traffic and so. Anywhere to have an assessment of what the problem and give an idea of how long it will take for us to solve it. So the block of line is very important in a sense that it gives you a window to work which is bigger than what you get normally at night. So we provide the isolation, the beginning of the block of line, and people like this project in Henderson are able to work for long hours and do stuff that they won't be able to do in a limited constrained pace of time. So with the opening of CRL, we are doing a lot of preventive maintenance, which is good and successful, but 25 kilovolt on top of the rail forces us to provide isolation for a lot of works parties. So every night we have to deliver in average 3 isolation for people to be able to work. So they are waiting for us, and at the end we are there to remove the isolation. So that takes a bit of time on top of our daily maintenance.